On ABC 27 News at 6, we're taking a closer look at the 32304 zip code in Tallahassee. It's one of the poorest zip codes in the state. According to data from Tallahassee Community College, nearly 24,000 people are living below the poverty line. That's 56% of the people who live in our community. Out of that, nearly 24,000, about 49%, are children. While those numbers are nothing new, they are still tough to see. Families in Tallahassee not able to meet some of their most basic needs. I'm Channing Frampton.
And I'm Ava Van Valen. There's a lot of work needed to help those families, with community groups and city leaders working together to move things forward. A status report on these communities just given to Leon County leaders tonight. ABC 27's Jada Williams is breaking down what has been done so far to address those needs.
Channing, Ava, the city and the county have worked together for the Neighborhood First program. It's designed to work with people living in those impacted communities to identify what is important to them. Here's a look at some of the things that have been accomplished. The Neighborhood First program aims to develop plans to improve the social and economic outlook of neighborhoods within 32304, linking Bond, Frenchtown, Griffin Heights, and soon Providence community members with county and city workers.
And what came up repeatedly was housing and rehabilitation and economic development, health and residential empowerment, and neighborhood safety and crime prevention. So those are the areas that we're primarily looking at.
Beverly Williams is the co-chair of the Frenchtown Neighborhood First program. She says working with the city and county will give leaders a specific look at the needs in her community. In November, county commissioners tasked their team to bring back programs that are currently working.
Power tools.
One program aimed at helping the community, the Library of Things.
Part of it is, sustainability and financial responsibility. And let's face it, everyone does not want to purchase a pressure washer.
Pamela Monroe oversees the library. She equips it with useful tools to help people living nearby, as well as fun like sports and music, all available for checkout free of charge.
That was one of the reasons we were really trying to look at children and what they may like. This little nostalgia, we have record players.
Another program highlighted more mental health access in Frenchtown and Griffin Heights.
The need has always been there, and the advent of the COVID pandemic just proliferate the need, and our ability to sufficiently address those needs have been drastically reduced.
The County Commission pledged $10,000 to launch the Behavioral Health Navigator through the Mental Health Council and Black Men's Health Organization. Series of outreach events that will be held within the next couple of months will train barbers and hairstylists to properly assess mental health. All programs that the neighborhood plan is proud of. Another program that the neighborhood plan is proud of, they are now working with Second Harvest of the Big Bend on multiple community meetings that will be coming up. It's all focused on food insecurity. They want to talk about what is driving that food insecurity in the area, as well as what can be done to make sure that every family has a meal on their table. Reporting live from the Leon County Commission chambers, Jada Williams, ABC 27.
Thank you, Jada.